Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video guys. Finally OpenAI has published another new feature for us, which is study and learn, and this feature is available for all kind of users. You can be a free user or pro plus. For all users this feature is available. So your step-by-step guide to learn anything, get homework help, preparation for test, explore new subject. Some people are thinking that this feature is only for the student, but it is not correct. Any working professional also can try this feature. Suppose you want to learn more about this agentic AI. Okay, so in that case you can go this ChatGPT and ask about this agentic AI, or if you want to learn this lang graph. Okay, there are multiple things that you can ask this study feature and you will get to know about these things. So from this choose tool you can select this study and learn, and you will see this kind of icon study. And if you ask anything like explain a topic to me, okay, and it will give you, or it will ask you this question, and after that just write that agentic AI. Okay, press enter and it will give you this answer in a step by step, in a more specific details that you see. And I got some of the news about this GPT-5, that GPT-5 will be released on Thursday the 31st of July. I don't know that on this date this GPT-5 will be published or not, but because here you see that another person is also saying the same thing. So that's why it can be possible that next week this GPT-5 will be released. OpenAI is dropping this GPT-5 next week. 1 million token input window, 100k output token. Now if this is correct, if this GPT-5 has this 1 million token input window, then it will be amazing guys, because GPT-5 has a lot of extra features when they will publish. And all of the models that we have got till now, this GPT-5 will have more that accuracy and more great benchmark than all other existing model. That is for sure, right? Now if that extra capable model have this 1 million token input window, then it will easily beat that Gemini 2.5 Pro, right? Currently this Gemini 2.5 Pro only has this 1 million token input window. And this MCP support and parallel tool call, it is an amazing feature. Dynamic sort plus long reasoning, uses code interpreter and other tools. And here you see the code names. You know that some days ago we got the access for this GPT-5, but now these GPT-5 models have officially left that web dev arena. So 2-3 days ago some people got access to these models, these lobster, summit, nectarine, starfish, right? But now they were removed from this web dev arena platform, because OpenAI released these models to test for the publicly. But now they have got that test result, so that's why they have removed that. And this person is saying that this o3-alpha have a greater capability than this nectarine. So you know that this is the nectarine. This nectarine is the GPT-5, and this lobster is the GPT-5 mini, and this starfish is the GPT-5 nano. Okay, these are the code names. And here you see that this study and learn feature, this is the go-to for students, and we are committed to. And if you see that this study and learn features has given me a great example and also a great tutorial. Okay, and if you see their video, then you will get another extra idea. Here you see it is doing this math calculation also in a great way. So if you see that on the left hand side, this is a simple ask to this ChatGPT. If you paste this question, then it will give you this answer in this way. But if you use this study and learn feature, then you will see that you will get more details. Okay, how do you see? So left portion, this answer is without study and learn feature, but this is the with study and learn feature. Okay, so with study and learn feature you will get extra knowledge and also step by step more information. So this is actually helpful. I wanted to discuss with you guys these features. So if you want to get this type of videos more, that what is happening daily, so please make sure to subscribe this channel to get the latest news. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.